Okay, now we're going to install the handles, and I found these handles in the hardware pack, the white envelope hardware pack, and it comes with sometimes it'll come with an assorted set of screws, and you'll just need to find the one that is the right length. So I'm going to hand the handles to Brandon here, and then I'll kind of hold the bed while he goes down underneath there and kind of positions it while I take the hardware. Okay, I'm doing the top one, Brandon. And lines that one up. And I just barely tightened it so Brandon can still maneuver it a little bit down there. Okay, now that one's on. And we'll do the other one. Okay.